this whole festival is something to be proud of. In Mhlanga, you've done well. The people come forward and help. We have so many supporters who just come out and watch. Others come and help with no asking. They just volunteer their services. And we're very proud of what trail running's done for Mhlanga and Durban North. And this one in particular was a great success. The people loved the route we did, and having Jockey as our main sponsor was fantastic because they all got beautiful t-shirts after the run. Eric Ngubane, our mascot winner, he was here today. He won the 18 kilometers. So Eric, to you, well done. And well done to all those who ran this trail today. The walkers, the runners, the 18Ks, the 12Ks and the 6Ks. You all did very well. We're proud of you.
So sad door, I never knew they did that anymore. Who knew we owned it now?